Hey everybody, welcome back to Vlog Like a Girl, Baking Edition. Today I'm going to be making quesadillas, chicken quesadillas to be exact, using only 5 ingredients. We got tortilla shells, some Mexican blend cheese, some already shredded rotisserie chicken, butter of course, and I just washed my bell pepper. Alright, so we're just going to get started. First, we're going to heat our pan up. Use your butter, put that in the pan. Just a little bit. We don't want to have soup. We just want to get it warm, so start it off on low. Put it over there. And we're going to cut the bell pepper. Cut the sides. We're just going to go around the stem rib cage. We don't want the seeds. That way all the seeds are still intact. We just throw that piece out. Don't want that white piece, that's part of the rib. We'll just throw that in there, grab the other one. If you don't like using a big knife like this, you can always use a smaller knife like this. I'll be using that one shortly. Just be careful when you use these knives because they are sharp. When you're also slicing these, do it from the inside out because the skin is very tough. It's easier to cut from the inside out. Just gonna cut them into ribbons. And you can either leave them like that or you can dice them up. I like to do both, depending on who I'm making the quesadillas for. If they're for myself, oh geez, I almost threw that. For myself, I like them diced. That way I get a lot more. But my little brother likes them sliced. So we do both. Quesadillas are easy. It's going to be, shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, just the prep. But take your time, there's no rush. Now that the peppers are done, we'll just put those off to the side to use later. That made that. That over there. That over there. You can keep your cheese in the bag, but I like having it into the bowl because it makes it easier to grab to put inside the tortilla. Just in case you need it later. That's my rotisserie chicken. You can use any chicken, but I like rotisserie chicken, especially if you just buy it from the store. That way you just have to rip it apart in shreds. Pan's done. Okay, once your pan is hot, you're going to want it on a medium or maybe a low medium heat. Just put your tortilla right in the pan. If my butter was spread. Put your cheese in first. And then whenever you decide to fill it in with. Right now I'm using chicken and peppers, but you can put whatever you want inside a quesadilla, as long as you have like a binder like cheese to hold it all together. You're just gonna take it, be careful, your pan may be hot, or you might not have the ingredients, either way. Towel. It's just gonna cook for a bit. You want your cheese nice and melted. You're just gonna cook that until it's golden brown on both sides. And then you're gonna transfer it to a plate. Move on to the next part. If it's taking a while, just put a lid or another pan on top. That way the cheese melts faster with the convection of the hot air inside the pan. Usually the first one takes the longest to cook. Your pan's not up to full temperature yet. See how we're doing. We got our cheese, our peppers, bell peppers, because we like the sweet ones, our rotisserie chicken, and then we have our tortillas. Let's see how our quesadilla is doing. Let's see. Almost golden brown. We're just gonna wait a bit. Let's put the lid back on. Pan is finally heating up. Alright. Yay! I may have used a little bit more butter, but it's okay, we all like butter. But if you don't, you can always use olive oil instead. Or just non-stick pan spray. See? Brown. There we go. Hear the sizzle of the butter. You're just shallowly, you're pan frying your quesadilla. If you have a grill, you can always grill it. Or if you have like a banana press, you can put that on it too. Might cook it faster. But I like my stovetop. Even if it isn't range, a gas range. Alright, we're gonna put you down. Usually the second side cooks faster. So, let's see how we're done. Put it in there. Alright, let's grab another one and put it on. And while that's cooking, I can show you what it looks like on the inside.
Cheese. Not the cheese, I like the cheese. And the chicken.
Oh, look at that. You have made your quesadilla. There we go. Mine's a little greasy because I used butter, but it's okay. Alright, let's see what it looks like cut up. Let my hand off. Just use the same knife from before, it's alright. Cut it into quarters. Look at that. Your cheese has melted ish. You know, it should be anyway. You got your pepper sticking out for color, and you got your chicken, and look at that cheese. It's melted. Can't wait to eat this. Alright, let's plate it up and enjoy. Nice plates. Plate it. Now you can eat this with sour cream or salsa, but I personally just like eating it plain. And there you have it. Your chicken and cheese quesadilla with bell peppers. Mmm.